Krobea.
Richard, could you IGP send me chairman?
Oh, IGP.
I say Nini Apano.
Papa.
Ziga, yes, before I maybe no so no. My main correct Yenya Abranti be young, Tuntum Network on YouTube. Tuntum Network. I think that or a social media influencer. He has been giving out a lot of misinformation, especially on our good reserves. I watched one of his videos where he was making claims. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a buyer as president of Ghana, a good reserve from 8 tons to 30 point something tons. It is untrue.
It's okay.
In fact, a MP penny moving from 8 tons to the 30.7 tons. NDC bomb the Kakraba.
To proceed.
And a two. Messere. Ababa wana yomo appointing it to. Oh Ziga, Ziga, I am a time. Ziga,
oh, that be me.
Whether Napoleon or not Napoleon is Napoleon.
Ziga and I am saying.
What time? But production.
Meaning Ziga production.
Kessben Marchi production. And now we have called you to speak on it. So let's
Mate. It may make us say President Mahama ya say we revoke an appointment, from the NHI board. There's a fake doctor, no. And it's Sansa Dali, no. But it should not end there. A impersonation. We are expecting a binary or modern worker could not send Nibiano. Because you cannot come and fake. Now, President Mahama say, "Omo your appointment na due diligent ben omo ye." I no keke. Metia no be send ma me come kan wan say.
I know send ma say.
O say Zigampa no kasa asem we bi.
Please.
Oh yeah, say Zigampa no.
Production.
The way I say Zigampa na asem we atop for ma. Zigampa. And nkrofo bi say 1 against 0. Uni Okatachi versus Kevin. Okatachi. Ma hu emoji bi Okatachi dey na yesi Kevin so. But na to for my ebro ne pompra. Kale efa to chena eni nkomo na.
Okay, ti baby obi abecha Okatachi FIFA.
Oh, solid.
FIFA abecha o.
Oh, solid. Okatachi is solid. It mess raba mu panifo hwe na baba wa yemfa ni nyina court.
Yeah.
Ziga.
Ba man say 2 minutes.
Minia Richard. Komo na edi eni nyina no court dan ho abobo. Court down Bobo. Richard and me are into the substantive conversation. You see, it's not a question of whether Obi ebe defending my Araba Issa Tokono former suspended Chief Justice. Say be Mimi Krobea, it is not my interest. I may better be defend Obi. But first of all, me and making some false claims. Let's set the record straight. And yet Chief Justice and I appointed justices to Supreme Court. Zika, you know it. So to say
the president.
to say Justice talk on na or share when you know per one someone who
Baba say on the petition now on the coin. Bakone say and come the NPP time. Bakone say or your recommendation at the president. My recommendation is different from appointment.
Zika me tell me recommendation say Richard me host morning show. I mean wait to so at the end of the day that is not true. His Excellency the President they want to do those appointments. And then what was the injunction application na ya minister of interlocutory injunction? Or say one of free say the fundamental human right is under attack. Identity our cancer and in so what say. Ziga, she's accused. Ghana constitution no HRP face ye both Chief Justice or tie akunwam pan doa and she say how do and procedure I also my opinion for. We don't have a problem according to ruling. Obviously the full ruling will come out somewhere June 12th. But then almost say almost grant say but ma Supreme Court unanimously almost a dismissing application and they say I think they reference article 1468 say I can say commission and as a committee ebe investigate and as a discussion on Chief Justice removal and it should be private. What you say? It should be held privately. And only almost so, but Chief Justice essay one, oh yeah, Mahame Penyini. And this is one of the Chief Justices while rising through the ranks. His Excellency at Amil's time, and no more appointing no Ziga eba High Court. And His Excellency John Dramani time, okay, Ziga, and no appointing a appeal court. Yes. And Sana Nana Danko Kufuado, Edene eba Supreme Court. In fact, okay, ye court now, eba fast track cases now, or ye one of the brains behind that initiative. Was several omayi, why some omayi. She's a woman na ne ho asem enye issue whereby ya no biante ne ho asem da Ziga. You see, when our brothers in NDC and our people in NDC try to, compare Mami Sharoto say any issue where I say what the mango any banchi etutu ho. You see, in the case of Sharoto say on one deputies, 2 deputies are now almost serving under her. And the board do say there were a lot of procurement breaches.
Concern electoral commissioner workers.
Yes.
Staff.
And that the deputies they were bold enough to testify, say there were several procurement breaches. But let's look at the weight. It was our petitions. Justice Araba Tokono, ne kwa do say one ni kuna tukwai. One ne ba atukwai. These are all even part of the condition of service. Case a case is pending before court. I wouldn't like to even go into the merit or demerit of the case. But the fact of the matter is that we cannot compare the 2 scenarios or cases. ABM na osiki application say first of all Kayam Kwashi committee ni kura investigating. Osan raise serious human rights abuse issues. So as oba penyina wa born a breadu sam pempensuo we baby a ye tutu na no all of these forms of investigation here course no ye no court premise but the way the omo dey akose security zone bi na woduru ho a oba penyina ya born search ya de ensa abon search to say be hardened criminal ye wi a ni mobile phone a akura ekura no ya jefre ni nsam including any other gadget. We are ni kunu ne makura no. Yes, ya mom access mom metena ho witness proceedings. Na ne etwa ne nsunu na ye ne ya na ofri say prepare ye nkoso ne say omo a abone kwa du no. Omo ni ye mom kwa omo de witness ba. Ye mom kwa omo de phones any other gadgets nyina den eba. But ono they deprive her all of this access. The concern, no. She has never said she should not be investigated, and I said she should not be interrogated. But she is concerned about a kwanya yadene fashion. One said, Ziga, what was wrong yesterday cannot be justified to be right today. And as on mine no, I was saying yini. Na ye tumpon ewo eniema bi mu enti mpo se susu ya mpa se previously ye to na mo bi ana nsem fata would that be enough justification to repeat same and the organ is ade ana Ghana fo a omunya mumu arehemu eto abama amu because omu susu ye no mfisa niema ba komienu bi wa antwa ye enti no omu to abade ma amu no mo pesa mo kira Ghana fo no se sebi you are taking them for granted. Ziga na meboa. Look at the overwhelming endorsement of Ghana for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Meaning, you can say Ghana for President Mahama, sound mind in Parliament, and it is true. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama can never have an excuse if he fails to deliver. And apart from say, anya overwhelming majority in Parliament, the MPP mighty minority in Parliament is also giving them responsible opposition. Sometimes you need a very vibrant opposition to put you on your toes. You need a vibrant opposition to check you because we are nipa. We are all fallible. It may be a nipa. But when you have an opposition that is very much alert, led by the indefatigable, the knowledgeable, intelligent, or you would always be on your toes. But the unfortunate incident is that the majority group and a lot of them already in the fatigue are setting in. They don't even go to parliament. Yes, someone in the ministries and in the Jubilee House per appointment. So they don't even come to parliament. But then there's a responsible oppositioner. They are ready to put the government to check. That is good for this country. Siga, this issue of Chief Justice, and in your question, a matter of law, I said the law is law, and matters of law, emotions near the can. Matters of law, no, you cannot subject it to the court of public opinion. The court of public opinion can have their discussions on it, but a court, and the court need the ruling about. We don't have a problem. And the NDC, if they are happy because there's a ruling, this same NDC, out of hypocrisy and double standards, court now then they come and bastardize and scandalize the court.
Okay.
But say a favor then they come and give the court all sorts of appellations. We don't have a problem. But Ghana for they are watching. MPP, we don't have a problem. We will continue to support any form of action. It's almost MPP for they've been supporting the Chief Justice. We are only supporting the rule of law. We are only supporting the democracy of this republic. We are only supporting our judicial order because say Asana Mutran is dangerous for our democracy.
Okay, thank you very much.